Let's see the shadow. You have the possibility to add shadow on your rendering. So to add shadow, you need to go on view and you have at this level shadow. So if you click, here I don't have shadow, you click on shadows and you are going to add the shadow on your element. You have also the possibility to add fog to have this type of rendering if you want. So now I remove fog, so let's come back to shadow. You need to imagine that you have the sun above the document, above the house, and with a reflect on the sun we are going to have different shadow. But you are going to see why we have the shadow at this level. It depends of the sun, so it's the reality. So for this you can edit the timetable, the hour of the sun. So you go on the right, default trade, you have shadow, and you can find also here on window default trades, and you can select also shadow if you don't have on the right. You click on the right and you can change and you can edit that. So first you can select here the date from January to December, the month that you want, and you can also select exactly the date that you want. You can select exactly the date at your convenience. So you can select everything that you want like this, and then when you choose that, so for example you are not going to have the same shadow in January at this timetable than in July at the same timetable. Now you can choose, for example, I choose this date, and after you can change also the moment of the day. So like this. So you can change the moment of the day, so whether if I'm here it's during the night, so I don't have anything. Now if I select here it's the morning, so many shadows, and here it's the middle of the day, like this, so the sun is at the maximum, and after here like this, and end of the day. And you can also directly change the hours on the right with a different cursor like this, if you want to have more precision. Here you can change also UTC depending of the place, so you can change UTC here, and you have the possibility to change UTC. And after, when you work on this, you can also change the light. So if you want to have less light, you can reduce. If you want to have more light, you can increase here. Dark, it's the same. You can add dark like this, and you can have less dark. So if you are at the maximum, you are not going to have the shadows. So keep, for example, like this, and you can edit on the cursor also on the right. Use sun for shading. So here naturally you will have the sun, and displays on faces, on ground, like this. So faces, you can see on the document. If you select on ground, you can see here at this level I have nothing. If I select on ground, I'm going to have this here. And you have also from edge. So like this, you want to add shadow, it's possible with this panel, and also you have view and you select shadows.